Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the South Park phone destroyer on your phone, no jailbreak. So this gives you unlimited money. It works on iOS and Android. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get straight into the video. This is super cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like South Park phone destroyer, then keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get this onto your device. It's super cool. So as you can see, I got so much money there. That's crazy. So let's get straight into the tutorial. Alright guys, so as you can see in the South Park phone destroyer, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get straight into the video. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this site. It's called hexmods.com. So once you're here, guys, go to the search bar and find the South Park phone destroyer. So here it is. So press on it, press this download button, and this will start downloading the mod. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, be sure to try it out. It's super cool. I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is so crazy. I've already installed this, so I'm not going to download it again. But if you go to the App Store and type in South Park, you'll see it's super expensive. So let me just type it in. So let me just show you guys right here. Just do South Park, and as you can see, here it is. And then we go to in-app purchases, and you can see it is super expensive. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this actually works, guys, and it's so crazy. So as you can see, I'm super rich. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this actually works. iOS and Android, pretty cool. So yeah, I mean, South Park Phone Destroyer is like my favorite game to play, and I'm now super rich in it, which is even better. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have ever played South Park Phone Destroyer, then you know that having more money makes it better. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, try it out for yourself. It's super crazy. So I hope you guys got rich in the South Park phone destroyer. So yeah, this is crazy, guys. So peace out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is so cool. And yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. I'll see you guys later. And yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, peace out, because this actually works.